Face diet, T-line lift the corners of the mouth. Use your thumb and index finger on both sides. Pull the skin around the corner of the mouth that is protruding, press and release. Repeat 10 times. Use the index finger and middle finger on both sides to press harder and lower the muscles around the mouth. Repeat 10 times. Place both thumbs at the corners of the mouth, lift up, press hard on the muscles beside the cheekbone. Repeat 10 times. Use the middle finger and ring finger on both sides to massage into the muscles around the corner of the mouth from bottom to top. Repeat 10 times. Use the tip of your finger to apply from the skin, corners of the mouth, through the ears up to the fontanelle. Repeat 10 times.